Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another exciting video on IT and Automation Academy. There's another opportunity for everyone who is interested in automation and electrical cybersecurity. If in the case you are interested, watch this video till the end. We are going to share amazing training opportunity live on this YouTube channel. After attending that particular training, you will not only gain information, but you would have a certificate which would be renowned worldwide. I'm talking about we would be doing that particular training in collaboration with one of the Canadian startup, which is actually recognized by Engineering Institute of Canada. If in the case you want to know the process to register in that training, stick to the end of the video to get in all the required details. If you guys remember, we had earlier session with Mr. Paul. It was an amazing 2 sessions training where everybody who was actually participating in that particular trainings got in certificate, and along with that, you got in a commissioning, automation commissioning knowledge as well. This time we are gonna bring in something different. This time we would be talking about OT cybersecurity, and we would have a guest again, Mr. Paul Turner from Canada. He would be speaking about OT cybersecurity, electrical automation cybersecurity. Without further ado, let me invite Mr. Paul to talk further about that.
Hi, Noman. Thanks for another great opportunity to share some commissioning knowledge with your audience. The discussion we've got lined up is on cybersecurity, with so many new facilities coming online that are involving so much more PLC systems and automated systems. Cybersecurity is definitely a concern for today's projects, and there's lots of intricate details that need to be managed in order to deliver our cybersecurity systems, and particularly during commissioning at the end of the project. The commissioning team plays a significant role in ensuring that the systems are cyber compliant at in-service date. So we're going to go through some of the details that are required in order to deliver your systems as cyber secure. This is a huge benefit and a skill to have in today's labor market, to have skills related to cybersecurity. With the advanced systems that we're seeing today, that definitely requires knowledge of what is required to make them cyber secure. So you won't want to miss this presentation, as there'll be a lot of great valuable knowledge to learn from the discussion we'll have coming up here shortly. That Numan will definitely provide more details on how to join the discussion. At the end of the discussion, you won't want to miss it. We have a certificate of participation showing that you've participated in this discussion and gained some valuable cybersecurity knowledge that you can use on the job site and demonstrate to the people that you're working with that you have the knowledge and skills to participate in cyber secure projects and deliver them cyber compliant to the owner. So you won't want to miss out. Please join us, and I'm looking forward to the discussion.
Thank you so much, Mr. Paul. Let's meet tomorrow. We would have a session tomorrow. The timing is already into the description of the video. You can join us on this particular YouTube channel to watch that particular live training. All those folks who are subscribed to this YouTube channel and have registered to the link which is provided into the description of the video and followed us on Instagram, they would be entitled to get in certificate. Instagram information is also provided into description of the video. So 3 key steps. First of all, you have to register the link which is provided into the description of the video. Along with that, you have to subscribe, turn your notification on to this YouTube channel so that tomorrow when we would be live for that training, you would be notified about that. Along with that, you have to make sure that you are following on Instagram. All those folks who have actually followed 3 key steps would get a certificate after attending the whole session. So make sure that you are there in whole session, otherwise you will not be entitled to get a certificate. You have to show your participation in the comments. There would be a session at the start and there would be a Q&A at the end. If you got in any questions related to the discussion we would have, you can definitely ask in the comment, and we will try to address each and every comment. Looking forward to meet you guys tomorrow at the time which is displayed on the screen and also into the description of the video. We will continue bringing experts from different industries in our YouTube channel, and we would have a similar kind of a discussion in coming future as well. If you like these kind of opportunities, all you have to do is you have to hit the like button, subscribe this YouTube channel, turn your notification on, and we'll catch you tomorrow with our amazing training opportunity related to automation and electrical cybersecurity. Thanks for watching. Until next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.